Earlier this March, I got to participate in ICT Fashion Tour's first pop-up and runway show of the year. Now, I wasn't actually in the runway show, but I did have one piece in the show, thanks to my friend Nina, who made that happen. And I had a bit of a demo booth. This was a very casual and laid-back event. I brought a few handmade things to sell, but I also had a few free items like zines, patterns, and even some cotton seeds for anyone who wanted to try growing brown cotton. I got the chance to meet and speak with a lot of creative people who are also interested in slow fashion, and I got to see some amazing designs being modeled during the show. ICT Fashion Tour is a series of events throughout Wichita, highlighting local designers, and it's just a really great chance to learn, connect, and get inspired.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have your doubts, not what I'm about, have your cloud, it be raining now, I keep making sound, go another round, I'm legend bound, can't stop me now. You don't wanna f*** with me, a slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. 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 Anything negative, cause I just wanna hear it out your mouth, yeah. Give me fuel, it's a tool that I use to go ahead and run my mouth, yeah. I take shots, I take loss, I make shots, I miss lots. That's how you get big box, you get yachts, you swing lots and pop off a big shot. I ain't done chasing.